What's the meaning of clanging? Clanging. Clanging.
Clanging. Clanging. Clanging refers to a sharp, metallic sound that is typically produced by striking two hard objects together. The result of clanging can vary depending on the context in which it occurs. It could be the sound of a blacksmith hammering metal, the noise made by pots and pans clanging together in a busy kitchen, or the jarring sound of two vehicles colliding in a car accident. Overall, the result of clanging tends to be a loud and distinct noise that can be heard from a distance and often creates a sense of intensity or urgency.